I've been thinking about this for many, 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 many years. And I've come to a conclusion. We in the automotive repair business don't fix cars. Our product is not an AC blowing cold air. It's not a car starting when you turn the key. Our product is not new tires. Our product is not a brake system. That just happens to be what we do. Now, remember that what we do is not our product. Our product consists of three things. We are financially responsible for helping the customer make great decisions on what to do with their vehicle, to invest, keep, drive, and fix it. Who wants a car payment? Not me. Another one is safety. Safety. That's our product. Drive a safe, reliable vehicle. So we've got financial, safety, and reliability. That's our product. It's not auto repair. It's not starters. It's not radiators. It's not brake pads. It's not hoses. It is financial, safety, and reliability. Get that through your heads, guys and gals. Forget you're not in the product business of auto repair. You just happen to do auto repair. So what's the three? F for financial, S for safety, R for reliability. I messed that one up, didn't I? Financial, safety, reliability. We can make a difference in our customers' lives by just providing financial information, financial help, safety, and reliability. What more does a customer want? Remember, your product is not what you do. It's what it does for your customers. You want to talk to me about it? Just give me a call, 270-282-1262. Call now. We'll talk. Bye-bye.